Tesla has revealed another variant of its well-known, all-electric Model S. The Model S 70D replaces the Model S 60, and now includes all-wheel drive standard in the base model rather than race-wheel drive. The 70D begins at $76,070 before impetuses, that is a $5,000 knock over the past model. And you can get one in blue up dark, or silver. For all-wheel drive, Tesla added a Moment electric engine to drive the front wheels for a joined 329 horsepower, and supplanted the 60 kWh battery in the first model with a 70 kWh pack. Tesla guarantees the 70D will complete 0 to 60 of every 5.2 seconds onto a best speed of 140 miles per hour. And when driven all the more regularly, will convey a 240-mile run on a charge. Tesla presently packages access to its supercharging system and autopilot equipment standard with the 70D, despite the fact that the last won't work without a product refresh. You likewise get keyless passage, stopping sensors, control collapsing and warmed side mirrors, maps and route with constant movement, LED headlights, blindside cautioning, programmed crisis braking, GPS-empowered homelink, and path takeoff cautioning. The Model S 70D gets a slight cost increment, yet it's a gigantic esteem increment. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, told Reuters, clients needed something that had more range and they extremely needed all-wheel drive. Fewer than 10% of clients had acquired the base 60, so presently it's gone. Choices on the 70D incorporate empowering the autopilot equipment for $2,500. Or $3,000 later, on the off chance that you take the auto without it at first. That gets you movement-mindful journey control, path-keeping with programmed guiding, self-stopping, and programmed high and low bar headlights. You can likewise get smart air suspension for $2,500, which modifies the dampers for execution and ride quality, and also any stacked travelers or freight, and it's GPS mindful, so it will recollect on the off chance that you continue stopping it on a slanted garage and design itself in like manner. The main model now accessible in a back-wheel drive setup is the 85D. Its fare is $5,000 over the all-wheel drive form of that auto. In spite of the fact that Musk said he accepts most clients need all-wheel drive. So's our core interest. The P85D still sits over the range, with 691 aggregate strength in a rankling 3.1 seconds 0 to 60 run. Tesla offers an 8-year, unbounded mile battery and drivetrain guarantee with the Model S.